not sure if I did a video on this already, but I have to like make a video so I can take this off my damn bench. But anyway, I'm taking apart a Honda Big Red 250 ES 1985. And if you look down here, the rear brakes were locked up. Anybody see why they might have been locked up? Well, anyway, if you look in here, there's something in here that reason why they got locked up. I think I found the problem. Maybe the glue might have came off the brake pad. So anyway, yeah, I think I'll just use some what is that? JB Weld. I'll put it back on, see how long it lasts. Yeah, I ordered new brakes for it, but yeah, it's pretty cheap. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. What am I doing with this? It's getting new pads. I'm cleaning the whole drum. Gonna wipe it all down. Gonna clean the inside of this. I don't know if this axle is supposed to detach from this or not. There's two screws. I'm gonna clean up the drums, but roll out the rest of the bike. I'm not doing a super duper restoration. If anybody out there can tell me, let me dump this out of here for a second. I'll get shit over it. Is there anybody out there who can tell me one thing I'd like to know? Maybe you folks out there can tell me. See this like weird, funny metal? I see people redo bikes. How do you clean this? Do you spray paint it over with some kind of enamel paint? Just paint it over? Do you sand it down and polish it? Or do you just clean it off really nice? Because I see some people clean these up and they look absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if they painted it, powder coated it, polished it, buffed it, wire wheeled it or what. And then once I clean all the rust off, do I clear coat it? Do I oil it? Do I rust it? Do I de-rust it? I don't know. Because I'm pretty sure some parts on here I have. Like the inside, I'm guessing just clean it and make sure to oil your brakes. Yeah, it's on here. Yeah, it's better. Like, I understand brake shoes, you know, this has got to go. I mean, you do springs and a whole bunch of other fun stuff, but I don't know if there's a gasket in here or what. I don't know. I'm not an expert in this crap, but I will figure it out, because I know there's like, let me get my bench all dirty here. Like, see the back plate, there's dirt and crap and grime and stuff everywhere. So do I just clean it out? And like this, I know I could possibly, I'm going to learn how to plate stuff, so I know I can replate this. That's not a big deal. Spring, well, I could probably replate that too. Bolts I can replate. This, I could probably take these bolts out and replate those too. But what about this? What do I do with it? Do I zinc, nickel coat it? Do I spray paint it? I don't know. I'm assuming the inside of the drum I don't want to mess with plating. I could tape it over and replate the inside somehow. I don't know. Seems a bit... So, yeah. That's my question. If you have any answers, please let me know. I'm all ears. And now I gotta get all this crap. If you keep watching my videos, I have more videos on a Big Red 250 ES 1985. Working on it. And that's my next thing I'm doing. That's it. That's it for this video. I wanted to show the brake drum. And next. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Hope my head doesn't look like it's on fire. Thanks for watching.